Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to view all shared videos on a Telegram channel. If you've been enjoying content shared in your channels but aren't quite sure how to find those videos later, you're in luck. I'll guide you through each step to make it easy for you to revisit all that great media. First, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. Once it's open, you'll see your chats and channels. Make sure you're logged in, as this will give you access to all your channels without any hassle. Next, locate the channel where the videos were shared. This could be a public channel filled with interesting content, or a private group where you and your friends share clips. Tap on the channel to open it, and you'll enter the lively world of shared media and messages. Now that you're in the channel, look at the top of the screen for the channel name. You'll want to tap on this contact name. Doing so will take you to the channel's profile page, where you can find additional options related to that channel. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down until you see the media section. This is where all the shared videos, images, and other media files live. Under this media section, you will find all the videos that have been shared in the channel. It's a fantastic way to revisit fun clips or informative videos without having to scroll through endless messages. This feature is especially useful for those who enjoy keeping up with video content, as it organizes everything in one place. You can watch the videos again, share them, or even download them if you'd like to keep them on your device. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view all the shared videos on a Telegram channel. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.